started here at Dawlish with a pair of 150s bound for Paignton with the delayed 10:53 Great Western Railway service from Exmouth. We'll get up top here just to film this out. And 150-266 departs, 166-213 also departs with the 10:56 Great Western Railway service from Paignton to Exmouth. So, since we were last here, they have put the new footbridge in with lifts, new stairs, but also we're going to be heading back to the bridge that we did, so stay tuned for that. Right, I've got fast action. Which is, of course it's a Voyager. Of course it's a Voyager. I can actually set the tripod up here. Nice. Yeah, very nice. It's a van for Plymouth. Is 221122. I've got another fast action now.
Fast train now approaching platform 2. Does not
We've got
stop
Hitachi.
here. Stand back from the
IE2.
platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
You're going to have to get your Cornish.
Oh, that's a nice tone.
We're going to see if there's another one that we can get.
006. Right, we've got some more sprinters there. 150-248. Right, next up we've got another 158 coming from Exmouth to Paignton for GWR. $158,749. Next up, working 1 Sierra 47 for cross country from Penzance to Edinburgh will be 221130. Voyager. Right, and the last single spot from up on the bridge here is 1 Alpha 81 from Paignton to London Paddington for GWR 800 315, and that's currently at Teignmouth. Right, and anything else we'll just film from along the front here or back at the station. But this is the 800 we were on about coming through now. Sounds like it could be in the tunnel. I think the unit is in the tunnel now. I think I can hear it, and then, like I said, the remaining shots will be taken from either along the seafront or back at the station. There it is. Say 02, 010 and 027. Okay then, right. Spent a couple of hours in Dawlish since the last bit of footage was filmed. Not really seen anything of note or been able to get the camera out in time to be able to film it. It's just been more IETs and Voyagers with the odd Sprinter and I call them Guerbos, GWR Turbos, 166. Yeah, the 166s. Well, hick is announcements, man. Right, next up will be the 1313 Great Western Railway service from Exmouth to Paignton in the form of 150-248. Then what have we got after that? This is the first time I've actually checked real-time trains since coming back to the station after, after spending some time in Dawlish during the day. There it is, 152.48. Now, slightly delayed with the 1313 Great Western Railway service from Exmouth to Paignton. You see the departure of 152.48. But coming the other way for cross country as this departs will be 1 Sierra 51 from Plymouth to Edinburgh Waverley in the form of 220018 and 220003. So we're getting a nice crossover here at Dawlish. Now, as that heads off towards the tunnel, the Voyagers are due to come down the line, headed to the Scottish capital. And here come the Voyagers. There they are, you can see them coming out the tunnel there. Right, next up with 1 Alpha 84 from Penzance to London Paddington, we will see 802114 passing fast. That train has been through Teignmouth and also due with that, with 2 Foxtrot 19 from Paynton to Exmouth is 166201. And due to come out of the tunnel any second with the aforementioned 1 Alpha 84 from Penzance to London Paddington, once again will just be 802214. And in the meantime we are, as I said, expecting the arrival of the Paynton to Exmouth train. Oh, that's going to stop here just afterwards. There it is. Speed, you can see these IETs out round these corners. And with a good two-tone, there goes 802214. Right, so next up, as I said, I'm pretty sure that's on this platform as well, the next working. Let's see. Yeah, with 2 Foxtrot 19 from Paynton to Exmouth, 166201 will be coming down. That's just waiting for signal clearance to leave Teignmouth. Then after that we just got some more IETs. I think one more Voyager and then what should be my unit out of here. But the next thing you will see will be the working from Paynton to Exmouth. Right, and finally to finish us up here at Dawlish we see the arrival of the aforementioned 166 unit, and this is working from Paynton to Exmouth, and we'll take you back as far as Exeter St David, 166201. And that's a good session at Dawlish done.